says 4.3, number 9 and 12, 9 through 12 on your review. We want to identify all of the transformations for each function. So I'm going to my notes and I'm finding the ones that say transformation, square root, and cube root. And if you remember from that lesson, they are the same. So you can just pull out one of the notes because they're the same for no matter if you're talking about square root or cubed root. So we need to name all of them. Let's go ahead and look at number 9. This is a square root, so I'm going to look at each of these just like I did in the lesson, each of these separately to see if we have any of these transformations. So remember, if there is a negative outside the A, then it's reflected on the x-axis. Do I have a negative? Where's my A? This is my A, right? That's a positive number, so we are not reflecting over the x-axis. Remember, if my A is greater than 1, then it's a stretch. And if it's a fraction that's less than 1, then it's a compression. 3 is greater than 1, so we've got a stretch. Okay, and keep going. If we have a negative in front of our x, then it's reflected across the y-axis. Do we have a negative? We do, so we're going to reflect it over the y-axis. Okay, and then our horizontal shift is this number inside the radical next to the A, and remember it lies. So if it's positive, it goes to the left, and if it's negative, it goes to the right. So do we have one of those? We do. We have positive 2, so we're going to go to the left 2. And then finally, if we have a number outside, then that tells us whether we're going up or down and by how many. We have a number outside. It's negative 7. That one doesn't lie. So we're going to be going down 7. That's it. You have to identify each and all of them. You're going to have to select all of the answer choices. So make sure you're looking at that piece by piece. And again, they are the exact same, whether you're dealing with your cubes or your squares.